What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing an installation for the 335 today. So I'm gonna be heading to Home Depot right now in a bit. And what else? So throughout the video, I'm gonna say something about the interior. To comment below. This is the fabric that we'll be using. If you guys think I should do the interior yellow just to do something different, and I could also do a video about it. But yeah, guys, enjoy the video, and please do not forget to subscribe and like and comment. It just shows a little, it gives me a little motivation, and just support. Doesn't cost you $1 or anything. So yeah, guys, enjoy the video. Peace. Alright, guys, so what I have here is 2 sheets of laminate. Laminate is basically like aluminum, pretty hard, but very thin, so we could be able to curve it. I got 2 of those. They're about like a size of a sheet of paper, a bit longer, but these will be perfect. Don't get the little small ones, trust me, they are not gonna be big enough. They're gonna be a bit small. If you want to go with the smaller look, I mean, you can go ahead and do that, but this one would be the best because it produces like looks, you could see it more, and then it actually does what it's supposed to do, which is flows the air directly towards the top. And these would be perfect, or are going to be perfect. And then you get 2, one for the one side of the grill and the other grill. So, and then you also want to get these like little L-shaped things, angel bracket, I think that's what it's called. They're these. I believe I got these from the 99. This is just to be able to hold it basically after we curved it. Should be easy. And then just I'll show you guys how to do it right now and stuff, but this is what you'll be. Alrighty, guys, so this is gonna be the final product. This is how they should look. I did mine yellow. You could do yours any color, but I'm sorry I didn't describe or explain step by step on how to do it. So I'm gonna just explain it real quick. So basically, the sheets of aluminum that I showed you guys at the beginning, aka these pieces, which is like a piece of paper size, I just took off the front grills. I didn't have to take out the bumper. And once you take off the grills, you could just get a good measurement. So what I did was I basically folded it through the middle and kind of got the shape. And then once I got the shape, I kind of did a little fold on the top where you're gonna put it on the car itself, right here, the top. And what I did was use like these I don't know what you call these little utensil things to just make a straight line and fold it easiest as I could, or easiest for me. So I just grabbed it on the edge and folded it like down a straight line to the car. And then I told you they were gonna come in handy. So basically, like I showed you guys, I got them at the 99. Right here, I put them on the side, as you can see, right there. And then I grabbed like a needle, I guess you could call it, right there, that one. And then just basically put it right here. Just drill it on it, make sure it hooks on right. And then I cut the edges right here to kind of the shape of the end of the grills. I'll show you guys real quick. So basically, right here I went based off this. So I put the little sheet of aluminum right here, got a Sharpie, and just like traced it as much as I could. For each side is different, of course. One is the left and one is the right. And once I did that, I cut it with some garden cutters, grass cutters. I don't know if you guys seen those. Those are pretty tough cutting utensils. So once you do that, you want to drill some holes right here on the top, as you can see, and then the exact same holes that match to the actual aluminum that you're going to be installing. And then for the little L shape thing, you want to drill a hole right here that also lines up. So these 2 gotta line up, and the one on the side, that same goes for the other side. So then, yeah, you just paint them whatever color. It's pretty easy, not that hard. But yeah, all you need to do is take out the front bumper, nothing major. Or I'm sorry, the front grills. Yeah, don't take out the bumper. It's pretty hard for E90, E92. If you guys are trying to do it to any other car that you could see it, the grill part, and you want to put that, you could also do it, because I mean they're kind of universal. You just gotta modify them to your car or whatever, but all you really need is that piece of aluminum. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it. We're just installing them real quick. A little pop pop, a little pop pop. Hashtag yeah buddy. Yeah, buddy. So we could, if you just want to be a little extra, you can just paint the ones here, but I mean, you can't really see it. And either way, some of you guys might have a little plastic thing that goes around here, and that will cover it. Alright guys, so we got Alright, so I just installed the right one. As you can see, looks pretty good, but not the best because we don't have the grill on yet. But hold up. Alright, so now I'm gonna install the left one. So basically, the best thing you could do is buy these that make a hole when you wanna put it. So it could be this you make on the car itself, and the hole that you make on the, what you call it? I keep on forgetting it. Yeah, that shit. So you could get like that nice good bond, you know what I mean? All right, so you're gonna put it through here, the bottom, connect the hose, boom. Gotta make sure they're all connected. Then we're just gonna use this to be safe. Alright, so you don't want to tighten up too much because you want to make sure you get that good alignment. And first you want to see. And then also guys, because I forgot, make sure when you do your holes, you do them the right way. Don't have two, because I accidentally have two holes on this side because I messed up. But I actually have one. But all right, so they're fully installed. I just made sure I aligned them all right. Last thing to do them up. All right, hopefully that sounds good. Now this one. All right. Don't mind the little scratches right there, but you couldn't. You see, if I didn't tell you guys, y'all wouldn't even fucking know. But all right. So that's how it's looking. Pretty dope. Oh, and like I said, if you guys would like, you guys could paint these the same as black as this, but you can't even see it. And like I said, you guys might have the plastic. I'm gonna get it soon, or we're gonna get it soon. Hook up my brother real quick from the junkyard and shit, but I'm gonna show you guys right now when I install the front grills to see the full fucking effect. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. It looks pretty fucking dope in my opinion, but everyone got his own opinion. No one's gonna really see it from this angle, but I'm just trying to trying to show you guys how it looks. Right here is where people really gonna see, and in person it looks much better, much more clear. I know on the camera right now it looks a bit dark, but I mean, it's something different. You don't really see cars and shit.
It's awesome.
So we just put a yellow just to match the whole theme of the car, which is basically black, yellow, and gray. Because the license plate, we do got the yellow joints, and then we do got the yellow calibers. So just an overall quick little dopey dope. And then also comment below if you guys think we should do the interior yellow, a little yellow different mook. That shit will look pretty sick in my opinion, and different, hella different. I don't think you guys ever seen that. So be prepared, stay tuned, turn post notifications on, right? Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be the end for today's video. Once again, I know it wasn't a G35 video for those who keep up with my videos, but it was a little side project for my brother. My brother's 335, just something real quick, something that he came up with, and I knew I could do it like a little custom, because they are overpriced. They're about like what, $100. So yeah, that's a little quick custom. Like, you don't need to go and spend $100. I know there's a lot of people trying to build cars on a budget, so yeah, that's a good alternative. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, for anyone watching, and please like and subscribe if you just found me in the Explore page or anything. Just follow me, not follow me, but keep up with my videos and shit. So yeah, like and subscribe so you can stay tuned, and thank you for the support, and stay tuned for the G's upcoming review on the rap and shit. So thank you guys, peace.